Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your download history in the Google Play Store. Now on your Android phone, let's find the Google Play Store. There it is. You might need to swipe up to navigate to it. And now let's see every app that you've downloaded by tapping on your profile at the top right. And now you'll be able to see you're logged into your account. Make sure you're logged in. And you can see Manage Apps and Device midway down. Just tap on that. This will show you if there are any app updates and how much space you've used. But let's swipe over and tap on Manage here instead. This will show you all of the apps that are on your phone. However, it won't show you the ones that you have deleted but previously installed. So instead of on this device, let's tap on where it says this device and tap on Not Installed. This will show us all of the apps that were previously installed from the Google Play Store but are no longer installed. You can see Yahoo Mail, for instance. I can tap on it and choose to reinstall it, but this will show me all of the apps that are no longer on my phone. And then if I switch this to this device, it'll show me all of the apps that are currently on my phone, showing me the entire history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.